sorry, I didn't need that on video. It's like crash. Slow, you're going in the hole.
Gently, straighten it out a little bit. There you go. Come across real slow. You're going to come up on the front. Keep coming.
Back tire going down.
Gently now, gently.
Going down.
Or I can start it. Put it on. You got it forward on, yeah. You're two-wheel drive? I was going to say. Before I'm locked.
Okay. Back up just a little bit.
Is he off over there?
Not yet. Not yet. You're going to have a bumper. He's going to hit this rock over the other side. Get down.
Who needs that gas tank anyways? We already sheared the bolts off last weekend.
Keep coming.
Keep coming?
Keep coming.
Even at this line?
Yeah.
I don't need to straighten out? All right.
Not anymore.
Man, look at that gas tank now.